Hello friends. Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. UPPCS Mains GS Paper 6. Question 61, 125 words. Discuss the significance of social audit in ensuring transparency and accountability in public administration. Examine its relevance in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Social audit is a participatory process through which citizens evaluate the implementation, quality, and effectiveness of government programs. It promotes transparency, strengthens accountability, improves public participation, and enhances democratic governance. In Uttar Pradesh, social audit has become an important mechanism for monitoring welfare schemes, rural development programs, and public expenditure. It helps identify corruption, detects irregularities, improves service delivery, and empowers local communities. However, inadequate awareness, weak institutional support, limited public participation, political interference, and delayed corrective action continue to reduce its effectiveness. Strengthening legal safeguards, ensuring independent audit mechanisms, promoting citizen awareness, encouraging community participation, and implementing audit findings promptly, are essential for making social audit an effective instrument of good governance. Question 62, 125 words. Examine the role of grievance redressal mechanisms in promoting citizen-centric governance in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. An effective grievance redressal mechanism enables citizens to report complaints, seek justice, and receive timely administrative responses. It enhances transparency, accountability, administrative responsiveness, and public trust. In Uttar Pradesh, online grievance portals, helplines, integrated complaint systems, and digital monitoring platforms have improved administrative efficiency and citizen satisfaction. Timely disposal of grievances reduces public dissatisfaction, strengthens institutional credibility, and improves governance outcomes. Nevertheless, procedural delays, inadequate follow-up, shortage of trained personnel, lack of transparency, and poor coordination continue to affect grievance resolution. Strengthening digital platforms, ensuring time-bound disposal, improving monitoring systems, increasing administrative accountability, and encouraging citizen feedback are necessary for establishing an efficient grievance redressal framework. Question 63, 125 words. Discuss the importance of decentralized planning in achieving balanced regional development in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Decentralized planning refers to the process in which development plans are prepared with active participation of local governments and communities. It ensures that local needs, regional priorities, and available resources are adequately reflected in development policies. In Uttar Pradesh, decentralized planning strengthens local democracy, improves resource utilization, promotes inclusive development, and enhances administrative responsiveness. It enables Panchayati Raj institutions and urban local bodies to participate effectively in developmental planning. However, inadequate financial autonomy, shortage of skilled personnel, weak institutional capacity, and excessive administrative control continue to limit decentralization. Providing greater financial powers, strengthening local institutions, enhancing technical capacity, encouraging people's participation, and ensuring effective coordination are essential for successful decentralized planning. Question 64, 125 words. Evaluate the role of performance-based administration in improving governance and public service delivery in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Performance-based administration focuses on measuring outcomes, evaluating efficiency, and rewarding performance, rather than merely completing administrative processes. It improves accountability, transparency, productivity, and service quality. In Uttar Pradesh, Performance indicators, digital dashboards, outcome-based monitoring, and departmental evaluations have contributed to improving governance. Performance assessment encourages innovation, efficient utilization of resources, timely implementation of programs, and better citizen satisfaction. However, lack of objective evaluation standards, inadequate data quality, limited institutional capacity, and resistance to reforms remain major challenges. Developing measurable performance indicators, strengthening digital monitoring, promoting transparency, ensuring regular evaluation, and linking performance with institutional improvement are essential for effective performance-based administration. Question 65, 125 words. Discuss the significance of public policy analysis in improving administrative decision-making in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Public policy analysis is the systematic examination of policy alternatives, implementation strategies, expected outcomes, and possible consequences before making governmental decisions. It promotes evidence-based governance and informed policy making. In Uttar Pradesh, policy analysis helps identify developmental priorities, evaluate socio-economic impacts, improve allocation of public resources, and strengthen administrative efficiency. It enables governments to formulate practical, inclusive, and sustainable policies. Nevertheless, inadequate research, unreliable data, limited institutional expertise, political considerations, and insufficient stakeholder consultation continue to affect policy quality. Strengthening research institutions, promoting evidence-based policymaking, encouraging stakeholder participation, improving data systems, and conducting regular policy evaluations are essential for effective public policy analysis. Question 66, 125 words. Analyze the importance of disaster preparedness in strengthening governance and administrative resilience in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Disaster preparedness refers to planned measures adopted before disasters occur to minimize risks, reduce losses, and ensure effective emergency response. It strengthens administrative capacity and protects human life and public infrastructure. In Uttar Pradesh, disaster preparedness is particularly important due to recurring floods, heat waves, lightning, droughts, and other natural hazards. Early warning systems, disaster management plans, trained response teams, community awareness programs, and interdepartmental coordination significantly improve disaster response. However, inadequate infrastructure, shortage of trained personnel, weak local preparedness, and limited public awareness continue to pose challenges. Strengthening disaster management institutions, promoting community participation, improving early warning systems, enhancing infrastructure, and ensuring regular mock drills are essential for disaster resilience. Question 67, 125 words. Discuss the role of administrative ethics in promoting integrity and accountability in public administration. Model answer. Administrative ethics refers to moral principles and professional values that guide the conduct of public officials while performing their official responsibilities. It strengthens integrity, transparency, fairness, and public confidence. Ethical administration ensures impartial decision-making, discourages corruption, promotes responsible use of public resources, and improves institutional credibility. In Uttar Pradesh, ethical governance contributes to better public service delivery, stronger accountability, and enhanced trust between citizens and government. However, political influence, corruption, conflict of interest, weak enforcement mechanisms, and declining ethical standards continue to affect administrative integrity. Strengthening ethical training, enforcing codes of conduct, promoting transparency, ensuring accountability, and protecting honest public servants are essential for ethical governance. Question 68, 125 words. Examine the importance of interdepartmental coordination in ensuring effective implementation of public policies in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Interdepartmental coordination refers to cooperation, communication, and collective action among different government departments for achieving common developmental objectives. It prevents duplication, improves efficiency, and strengthens policy implementation. In Uttar Pradesh, coordinated functioning is essential for implementing programs related to health, education, agriculture, rural development, disaster management, and social welfare. Effective coordination improves resource utilization, reduces administrative delays, and ensures integrated governance. However, departmental silos, communication gaps, overlapping responsibilities, and bureaucratic rigidity often reduce administrative efficiency. Strengthening institutional coordination mechanisms, promoting information sharing, encouraging joint planning, adopting integrated digital platforms, and ensuring leadership support are necessary for effective interdepartmental coordination. Question 69, 125 words. Evaluate the role of capacity development in strengthening institutions and improving governance in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Capacity development is the continuous process of enhancing the knowledge, skills, institutional systems, and organizational capabilities required for effective governance. It improves administrative efficiency and public service quality. In Uttar Pradesh, capacity development enables government institutions to respond effectively to emerging developmental challenges, technological changes, and citizens' expectations. Regular training, digital literacy, leadership development, and institutional reforms strengthen administrative performance. However, inadequate financial resources, limited training opportunities, shortage of qualified trainers, and resistance to organizational change continue to hinder institutional development. Promoting continuous learning, investing in training infrastructure, encouraging innovation, strengthening institutional systems, and ensuring periodic performance evaluation are essential for sustainable capacity development. Question 70, 125 words. Discuss the importance of administrative accountability in strengthening democratic governance and public confidence in Uttar Pradesh. Model answer. Administrative accountability refers to the obligation of public officials to justify their decisions, perform their duties responsibly, and remain answerable for their actions. It is an essential pillar of democratic governance and good administration. Administrative accountability promotes transparency, prevents misuse of authority, improves efficiency, strengthens public trust, and ensures effective implementation of government policies. In Uttar Pradesh, accountability mechanisms, such as legislative oversight, audits, vigilance institutions, judicial review, and citizen participation, contribute significantly to better governance. However, procedural delays, corruption, weak enforcement, political interference, and inadequate monitoring continue to undermine accountability. Strengthening institutional oversight, ensuring transparency, promoting ethical administration, encouraging citizen participation, adopting digital governance, and enforcing strict accountability standards are essential for building responsive and trustworthy public administration. Thank you.